Once upon a time, in a vast and beautiful jungle, there lived a mighty lion, the king of all animals. One day, a little mouse was scampering through the forest, playing and looking for food. The mouse accidentally ran over the lion's paw, waking him up from his sleep. The lion roared in anger, his thunderous voice echoing through the jungle. The little mouse, trembling with fear, pleaded with the lion. The lion, amused by the idea of a little mouse helping him, decided to let the mouse go. Days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net and could not free himself. Hearing the lion's roars for help, the little mouse remembered his promise and ran to help. The mouse began to gnaw at the ropes with his sharp teeth, setting the lion free.